welcome and welcome back to my small space gardening oasis where I am growing in extreme heat and limited water from the rain that is. My name is Stacy and today we'll be planting more food. I would like to say a big thank you to my new gardening family that came on board recently. A big up to you, my faithful supporters, and also a big shout out to you, my channel members. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
Alright guys, so I have right here this soil that came from this bag. It has chicken manure and rabbit manure inside it. And this that came from this bag is regular garden soil I got from the garden store. So I'm just going to mix both of them together. Alright, so that should be it. So let me put this one side. So I already have my buckets. They have holes inside already. So I'm just going to load them up. So inside here, I have kitchen scraps that I saved to plant up these trees. And I have a little here as well. So I'm going to use these. And also I have a little coffee ground inside here. Alright, so I'm adding some soil first. Alright, so yeah, someone can work. So I'm just going to bury some of the scraps. These are some egg trays inside here. All right. Peanuts. So now I'm just going to add more soil. Oh, let me add some coffee grounds. So I'm basically burying everything. Some more in that one. I'm just going to mix up a little more. It is so hot. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to take them to the location where they're going to be. Alright guys, so I'm starting with my Julie mango tree. So the little mango that was coming up, it is all dried up. But I was going to remove it either ways because one of you, my garden family, advised me not to keep it on because it will definitely stunt the plant. So it's a win-win. So what I'm going to do is just basically pull this apart, the plastic. Alright, so it's going to make a hole in the middle. Wow, look at this guys. That's new growth, you know. That wasn't there. That is new growth. I like this. I like this. What is your favorite manga, guys? I like Julie and I like East Indian. I like Blackie. Guys, I love every manga. Once it is manga, you can hit me. So, let's cover it up right now. Give it a little press. So I'm just going to water it right now and add the chicken manure in sawdust as much. So behind this soursop tree is the nasberry tree. So this is where it's going to be. So let me just shift over the mulberry a little. Then I can shift this over. So the nasberry right here, and then I'm going to put the yam over there, right behind the guava. So I think I'm going to plant the yam first. I need to put up this gungu or pigeon peas on a stick or something, one of my broomstick. I need to get the guava out of the way. So I'm just going to shift it over a little. Guys, it's not easy in a small space, but I just make it work for me. So that is where the yam is going to be. If we can go a little more, all right, even better. So let me get the yam and all my belongings and get back to you. The watering can with my shovel, and I'm back with the yam. So now I need to get the chicken manure in sawdust. All right, so I am just going to I'm just going to turn it like this. Ensure that I cover it, and know that this is maybe too big for this bucket. Don't come for me, guys, please. Just let me try it and see what becomes of it. All right. I think I'm going to add more soil, but not not today, because the time has far spent already. So I will add the soil another time. It's water around the hill. Let me just add some of the manure and then some more water. So when I'm going to add more soil, I'm just going to remove the sawdust with manure and add the soil and then put it back. That's exactly what I'm going to do. For today, I'm going to let it stay as is. All right, time for the nasberry. Let me just put back this guava right here. All right, nasberry time. So guys, it's basically the same procedure as with the mango tree and the yam. I'm just going to tear this apart. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. That's not bad anyways. I still get some. Alright, so I'm just going to add the chicken manure. I am going to give them more water, guys. I'm just letting that set of water settle, and then I'm going to give them more. Let me put back this soursop tree right here. Alright, back in its location, and put back this mulberry tree. Alright, so everything is back. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.